My children are over here trying to figure out, cause hold on, let me turn this off.
Where's my station?
Alright, so the kids are over here trying to figure out what presents belong to who and what, because every year I do a different wrapping paper for each child, and they're over here now trying to figure out what paper belongs to who. Of course Jaxson knows which paper is his because his was the first to go up, but I've done I'm proud of myself because today, and it's the reason why I didn't vlog today, I put up the stockings, and that's going to be up all week empty, because I can't put anything in them because these ones right here love to peek. So I can't put anything in it, and I have to watch Maddie with these because these are heavy. So I'm scared that she's going to pull it, yank on them, and it's going to fall on her. So I have to watch her. And it's the reason why I waited so long to put these hangers up. But I took my tree is completely filled with ornaments, like, and then I put the skirt on. I saw that. And it's completely filled with ornaments, like this thing can't. And then I put away the other ones. I put away at least a whole container filled because I couldn't stuff anything else on there. So I wanted to wait until nighttime to show you guys what it looks like. Don't touch. Can you get off the tree? And don't touch it, please, because one year my tree fell. my actual Christmas tree fell down. And I know this guy is not gonna fall because it's very sturdy and everything, but yeah, so this is what the tree looks like. It is filled to the brim. This is our very first ornament, my husband and I. It's two birds kissing, and it's right there. And then it's completely filled with ornaments. And this is Destiny from American Girl. And then we have where's Maddie? Madison is somewhere. We have Madison right here. So this is Madison. We have Jason somewhere over here. We have Jason. Jaxson is yep. This is oh, Destiny. There go your ornament that you were asking for. It's right there.
Where?
Jaxson is right here from 2013, 1 year after he was born. You can put that back.
This year we made this
for Madison.
No, for me, I made that, and then you made this.
Okay, this is Madison. Same thing. So yeah, I don't think I need any more ornaments for the rest of my life. And this big guy right here is falling out.
Oh, you put that up? I didn't notice that.
Stop, Maddie! Don't touch a tree. So that's what my tree is looking like at nighttime. What's up, guys? It's Thursday, and don't mind my hair, don't mind anything around my house right now. I gotta pick up the camera because I have to clean. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, then I have church on Sabbath, and then Sunday we go to the in-laws house for Christmas, and then Monday we come back here for our Christmas. So I only have 1.5 days to clean. But the problem with that is I have 2 sick children. Maddie is just starting to get sick. Well, Maddie is sick now. Yesterday she started getting sick. They have been having these fevers, like they've been having 104 plus temperatures. Jaxson started out as a sick one, took him to the emergency room. They said it was a viral infection, and he was sick for 2 days. Today is 3rd day, and he's kind of back to his normal, but the fever is gone. Today is Madison's 2nd day of being sick, and of course she's a baby and she's like really clinging to me, so I haven't been able to clean anything. But my house is like really disgustingly dirty, and it has to be cleaned before we leave here on Sunday. And because Saturday is our Sabbath, can't really do anything then, so I have to get stuff done today. So I'm gonna go try to do as much as I can in 2 hours. I'm giving myself 2 hours, to get as much done, like really done, not like clean over the surface, no, just like really legit deep clean and start on laundry and my dishes and stuff like that to get my house nice and clean for Christmas. So I'll take you guys along with me. So when my kids are sick, especially the younger ones, I love cuddling up on the couch with them and just snuggling them and just being their mother. It's just, I don't know, I just enjoy snuggling with them when they're sick. It just makes me feel close to them. And yeah, I've been with this one all morning, even though my husband was able to take her for a little bit and let me clean the kitchen and the living room and the dining room. I was just dying to come back and cuddle with her and just hold her and, you know, make sure that she's okay. I hate when they're sick. When they're sick, it's just like, it just takes the joy out of me when they're sick. Like, especially when they're small and sick. But hopefully today's the last day of sickness, because I need a shower. I need to wash my hair. I need to go take care of me. But of course they come first. So hopefully, hopefully my husband can watch her for me to go take a shower and take care of myself and get prepared for Christmas. I'm so tired. Like last night I woke up several times to make sure that she was getting rotating Tylenol and Motrin to make sure the fever stayed away. So I didn't get any kind of sleep whatsoever. And the night before, I was at the emergency room with Jaxson because his fever was like shot right through the roof. I was just so scared that, you know, he would start having seizures and stuff like that. So I was like, you know, to be on the safe side, I'm going to take him to the emergency room just to make sure there's nothing, you know, even though I'm a pro when it comes to breaking fevers and I know what to do, it's still kind of frightening when their temperature goes above a certain amount. And his was borderline, you know, at the high point. I think at the highest it was like 104. It was borderline that. And yeah, I got scared. So okay guys, so I'm gonna do just a small little vegan grocery haul, because of course my husband is going vegan now. So I'm trying to don't mind that baby down there. I'm trying to stack up slowly. So we just got this Mediterranean. Go, please. Definitely get your sister. So I just got this Mediterranean flatbread for him right now. I'm getting ready to do some vegan quesadilla. So these were at Harris Teeter and they were marked 99 cents. Of course they're not 99 cents, but I took advantage of them being marked incorrectly, so I was able to snag these for 99 cents. And these are just vegan gourmet shreds. And then a Lara bar for my husband's lunch tomorrow. These are not vegan, but I figured the kids could have these, and they of course were 99 cents as well. So I got 2 of those. This guy took advantage of it too. It was marked 99 cents and I only paid, it was $4.99. So yeah, I got 2 of these for 99 cents. And this is the pepper jack style cheese. So we got 2 of those. Went ahead and got the tofurkey deli slices, oven roasted, and yeah, got some mango chunks, and these were $1. Can't go bad. I love Harris Teeter. Got some mushroom for 50 cents. Another pack of vegan cheese for 99 cents. Totally went in today. Got some vegan sour cream to go with the quesadillas. Got some Earth Balance, soy free. Got a onion, a red onion, a shallot, 1 plum for my husband lunch tomorrow. These were 99 cents a pound, so I got 2 bags of these. Grapes. We need to not eat seedless. I need to cut that out, but they were on sale, so the kids can have that. As a snack, I got this bean chips, hint of lime, and this guy was $1. Got a Tender Garden mix. This guy was 25 cents. Love Harris Teeter. I can't go wrong with. Then I got the veggie spring mix. Could you get out? Got a pepper and onion blend. Got some oranges, 50 cents. Got another pack of mixed fruit. This guy was $1. Got some strawberries with blueberries, $1. Another pack of orange, and this guy was 50 cents. This guy was $1.
No, girl.
Got some almond milk.
Mommy, you said
Some avocado. Everything is just falling apart. My kitchen is so tiny. Some tortilla for the kids.
there's some.
These were buy one get one free. So I just got some gum. Got some vegetarian beans. Just Chipotle mayo. This is vegan, so it's really good. This is really good. Got some. This is not the best, but it's really good. Rotel fire roasted diced tomatoes. Got some more just mayo. So this is the Chipotle and this is the mayo. Another pack of gum. Got a can of corn for tonight's dinner.
Whoa. Jack, can you pick that up?
Did it break?
No. There's.
Got a can of. I got a can of black beans. Got 2 cans of black beans. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.